So I just want you to see this thunderstorm. It's pretty crazy. A lot going on here. Lots of strikes and chaos going on in that cloud. Goes all the way behind that building right there. But yeah, just take a look at this. This is pretty good so far. Hopefully it's showing up okay. And again, the weather report is, no, it's gonna be an okay night. Maybe a little bit of rain, that's it. And we've got a supercell tornado cloud over here. Anyway, thought this was definitely worth filming though, because it's pretty insane. Look at that go. Alright, well, I guess I'll just keep you posted, let you know if we survive this. Later.